This is how this cat sleeps. It is the most awkward way I think I've ever seen an animal sleep in my entire life. Today is going to be a fun day. I mean, it's a little overcast out, you know. It's not like the nicest day, but it's going to be a fun day. Because today I get to go see my sister's 3D ultrasound of her baby. My soon-to-be niece. I'm excited for her. You know, it's going to be a new experience for her. It's going to be a new experience for me. So I'm excited. We're going to go and do that. It's going to be a lot of fun. My stepmom, Lynn, is coming to pick me up, and then we're going to go there. So I'm just waiting for her to get here, and as soon as she gets here, we're going to go. Alright, let's go. Oh. Hi, Lynn.
Hello. Are you vlogging?
I am vlogging. Gonna go and see Cassandra's weird 3D baby thing. I think it's weird. I don't know.
You think it's weird?
I think the ones that are just 2D are weird. So I don't know how, like...
3D that you're really gonna be able to see.
UC baby. That's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna see Cassandra's baby.
Hi. We need better signage. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
I'm very good. Are you ready?
No, Jordan. Yes.
Cause why not? How's Trent doing? Hey Trent. Hi Aunt Joan.
This guy. Got long hair.
I'm a hit.
Nephew. Great nephew.
She always is like that. Every time we have an ultrasound, her hands in front of her
it's not
face.
just your baby, believe me. They torching me, all of them. It's just, yeah.
Gidget. Hey, little Gidge.
Come on,
Did you hear Grandma?
Alright,
All right. See you later, Jane.
we're heading out.
See ya.
Bye Trent.
I'll let you know. We're gonna have a shower, but
I'm putting this
we're in this discussion about.
Oh, good game. Bye Mom.
Like, bye, Jordan. Thank you.
Bye Aunt Joan.
Our friends are gonna have one. Yes.
That's pretty cool. That's different.
That was very different, wasn't it?
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Very cool process.
It is. A little weird.
See that little one in there?
Yeah. Yep.
Your little niece?
My little niece. It's a little weird, but it's cool.
Grandbaby?
So, now that we've done that, it's a cool experience. Gonna go and see CJ, see what he's up to. Let's go see CJ. It's good. Sup? Fucking, what is it, a party in here?
Whatever, everyone's just arriving.
Fuck. What are you doing?
Might not make it this time. I might not make it.
We are heading to Burger for some good grubbage, and then we're gonna go get some free comic books, because why the fuck not? Maybe.
Lineup might be too long.
Yeah, that's true too. We'll see if the lineup is long, and if the lineup isn't long, then we'll get free comic books. Right now, I gotta get myself a fat burger because, like, I'm dying of starvation. Because I'm fat. And fat people need to eat frequently, or else we just deteriorate to nothing. Bikes!
Shots fired.
We are downtown at the Free Comic Book Day. They have Dundas partly blocked off so that they can have it. See? Free comic book. Cosplay, so much fun. Well, this is a lineup for free comic books.
Are you about waiting in that lineup? Because I'm not.
I do not want to wait in that lineup, but I do respect these people for wanting to. The frickin' DeLorean. Pretty hype. We're gonna go over to CJ's now. Clarence is here now too. Excited. So, just came to CJ's for a bit. Watched some Dragon Ball Z. Now, CJ's mom's gonna give me a ride home. Cause Britt's gonna be on her way home soon. And we're gonna go do something. So I'm gonna say bye to CJ here.
Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh!
That's all, dude. Bye. Have a good nap. Fucking trains. I guess I should tell you what we're doing. We are heading to Winx to meet up with some people for a little bit.
I'm cool.
Oh, look, it's done. Off to Winx. I already finished my fries because I forgot to vlog it. Brick got brie. Ew, you're disgusting.
I know. That's why you love me.
Right? And Ashley's here.
Hi. I'm always so awkward on camera. Stop.
You're an actress.
I know, but they tell me what to do. This, I'm just like, I don't freestyle.
I don't freestyle. I'm gonna finish my meal here, and then we're gonna wait for CJ and TC to get here, and then I'm gonna bug them.
You don't need a hat. You have flowing locks.
Right? He looks like he owns a mansion because he's a fucking Dracula.
What?
You're gonna be the next 50 Shades Grey. That's what you look like right now.
Sick.
You're a rich guy who loves random kinky sex. And you take your shirt off with one hand.
I'm really bad at that though. Taking my shirt off when I get stuck.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah, girls go crazy apparently.
What?
In the movie. It's like he goes.
I tried to do it once and he got stuck. Really fun.
I haven't seen the movie. I just read the books.
Mine's like taking a wrapping off a cupcake.
Now I feel like when I get home, though, I need to try and take my sweatshirt off with one hand just to see if I can do it.
There's also times though where I try to just take my sweater off normally and I'm like, I need help.
Have you seen my videos? I just go like this. They're off.
So we're at Winx, and apparently we're gonna play Cards Against Humanity here. I've never played, so this should be fun. Nice. Nice. That's gold.
What? Did you just watch me? That's so weird. And awkward.
I just played Cards Against Humanity. I played it for the first time. It was a fucking load of fun. Lots of fun. Probably gonna play it again at some point. Anyways, we're done here. I'm gonna pay the tab here and then we're gonna head home. See you when I get home. We are home now. I am so tired. It was a long day. I had a good time though. It was awesome. I got to see my sister's ultrasound, which was really cool. The Cards Against Humanity, awesome game. I never even known about this, but I'm definitely buying it. It was fucking awesome. So much fun. It's just one of the nicest days I've had in a while. Just because I've been working so much, that's why there hasn't been as many vlogs. I'd like to apologize. I really am trying. It's just really difficult, so it's going to be fewer than normal. Just for now, until I can figure some stuff out and try and get myself organized. It's really hard. So it's not going to be as many for a little bit, but I'm still going to bring them out for you. Just might be a little bit spaced out. Anyway, it's late. I'm going to watch a movie with Britt. I'm going to just enjoy the rest of our night. If you saw us today, maybe hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, or subscribe if you want to see future videos. Until next time, peace!
Your eyeballs open yet?
Yeah.